Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and I'm back today with another great stitch tutorial for you. This one is beginner friendly. It's a 4-row repeat. The stitches are very easy, the holes are minimal, and you can use this for just about any type of project that you would like. You just need to start out with a chain that has a multiple of 4 plus 3. And in today's tutorial, we are using I Love This Yarn Stonewash in the color Mint Lace. It's a size 4 medium weight yarn, and I also used a G 4.25 millimeter crochet hook. And if you'd like to see the written instructions, they'll be in the description box below, along with instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos in case I go too fast or too slow for you. And also the timestamps will be in the description box below if you need to jump to a row. Okay, let's get started. So like I said before, you need to start with a starting chain that has a multiple of 4 plus 3. So we're going to go with a multiple of 4, which is 16, plus 3 for 19. All right, 19. In the 4th chain from the hook, double crochet, and then you're going to double crochet in every chain across. All right, that is row 1. Row 2 is exactly the same thing. You chain 3, turn your work. Don't work into this first stitch here, work into the next stitch, and we're going to double crochet the entire way across. And make sure you put that final double crochet in the chain 3 turning chain. And that is row 2, and you will always have the same number of double crochets in these 2 row repeats. Row 3 is where the pattern changes. Chain 3, turn your work. You're going to work a V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and we're going to skip this stitch right here that the chain 3 comes out of, skip this stitch, and work our V-stitch right here. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch, and just a double crochet in this stitch, and then we're going to repeat that across. Skip 1 stitch, V-stitch, skip 1 stitch, double crochet. So skip 1 stitch, V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in the same chain or stitch. Skip 1 stitch, double crochet, skip 1 stitch, V-stitch, skip 1 stitch, double crochet, skip 1 stitch, V-stitch, and when you get to the end you should have 2 left, your chain 3 turning chain and a regular stitch. So you're going to skip this stitch and work just a double crochet in the chain 3 turning chain. That is row 3. Row 4 is slightly different, so chain 3, turn your work. You're going to double crochet in this first stitch. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so it's 2 double crochets side by side. For our next stitch, we're going to work into this chain 1 space. We're going to double crochet in the chain 1 space. And can you see the V-stitch, the single by itself, and then the V-stitch? In this double crochet that's by itself is where we're going to work our next V-stitch. So you're going to skip this stitch here, V-stitch in this stitch. And we're going to repeat that pattern across. Skip this stitch, double crochet in the chain 1 space, skip this stitch, V-stitch, skip this stitch, double crochet in this stitch, skip this stitch, V-stitch, skip this stitch, double crochet, skip this stitch, and in the last stitch, the chain 3 turning chain, we're just going to work 2 double crochets together like we did at the beginning of the row. So 1, 2, all in the same chain. That's row 4. Row 5 is just a row of double crochets across. So chain 3 counts as a double crochet, turn your work, skip the stitch right here that the chain 3 comes out of, double crochet in the next stitch, and then just double crochet in every stitch across, and don't forget the chain 1 space. And at the end of the row, make sure you get that double crochet in the chain 3 turning chain. And that is row 5. And that is it for the entire pattern. All you have to do is repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5. Don't forget there's timestamps down below if you need to jump to a certain row. And when you're finished, you get this really beautiful fabric with minimal holes, and it looks great on both sides. It looks identical, so it's great for double-sided projects. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any ideas on what you would like to make with this project. I'm sure that will help others decide. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.